Hey, what's going on, y'all? All right, I'm gonna show how to remove the rear bumper on the G37 sedans. It also applies to the 07, 08 sedans. So I'm gonna work on one side. Underneath, there's this 110mm bolt. Then work this back. Another 10mm bolt there. So let me go ahead and get those. You can remove these plastic clips to also help you get some of the liner out too. All right, once you have those bolts out, it's only held on by clips, so you can kind of just pull it. You see, it's very easy. It just comes off. Same for the top. Only held in by clips. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. So I mean, of course you have to undo these plastic ones. So let me go ahead and do those. And then let me also go ahead and get the 2 bolts on this side. Driver's side with the 2 bolts out. You can see I just kind of remove it. So that's loose. See this top part? It's loose too. I'm gonna go ahead and check off the tail lights. Alright, so I removed the plastic clips. You can see now this bottom part is pretty much loose. And then at the top, you've got some plastic clips here, 2 to be exact. So remove it on each side. Alright, so that's a better view of what it looks like. So now that that's loose, just got some. Just pretty much pull it out. There you see. Of course, you got your tag light. So it's held on. On this side, it's held on by that clip. So the moment. Oh, see. Now the bumper's off. So recap, you got 1 bolt at the top, which is this one. Right, this tab. You got 1 here, that's here, and then you got the 2 here, and then the 2 center ones. So, all right, hope that helps. I'm also at the junkyard pulling off parts. If anybody needs parts, let me know.